Principal Secretary to Prime Minister Dr. P.K. Mishra chaired a high-level meeting yesterday to review the status of preparedness for Mpox in the country and related public health measures. President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi today greeted the people on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. The Vice President of Zimbabwe, Constantino Guevara Dominic Nyekadzino Chiwenga, has arrived in New Delhi today. Director General of the Indian Coast Guard, Rakesh Pal, died of a severe cardiac arrest in Chennai yesterday. Over 70 Padma awardee doctors have written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking his personal intervention in the case connected to the rape and murder of a junior doctor at the R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata last week.